I'm Doug Ray of the Wealth Guardian Show. It's no secret that rising taxes can eat away at your retirement savings, and navigating tax laws in retirement is far different than when you're working. Learn why taxes, not the market, might be your biggest retirement risk and why it's important to build a plan that works for you, not Uncle Sam.
If you've put aside $400,000 or more and you're between the ages of 59 and 72, you'll want to attend the upcoming event, Minimize Your Taxes, Transform Your Retirement, on March 5th and 7th at 6:30 p.m. We'll discuss the impact of Secure Act 2.0 and how tax planning during the 4 stages of retirement could mean you'll pay less tax in the future. But there's no cost or obligation. Seats are limited though. Click on the link below to register now. And as a bonus for attending, receive our 2024 Annual Tax Planning Guide. Don't wait, register now.